Okay guys, here we are waiting for the NFP to be released, and okay, so this is it, just a minute before the market comes right there. So here we go, at the end of this candle. Yeah, let's go to 1 minute. At the end of this candle, that's when we are getting the NFP. So it's about 15 seconds or so before we know which direction to follow. It's like it's going down. Okay, here we go. Are we going up? Yeah, we're going up. Okay, it's taking a bit of time. We're still going up. So let's switch to 5 minutes. Let's just see it nicely. Look at that. We're going up. Right. We keep going up and up and up. Right, let's get back to 15 seconds. Look at this. It's the impact of the NFP. That's how it is. So this is called fundamental trading, where you make market decisions depending on the news and events that happen. That was a good one. That was a good one. Now the problem with this is that we just have that one trade to take. We don't take any more trades. But as for a fact is, this market will retrace to around this bit, that hit point something. Let's see. We can continue trading for some time because this market will start to, oh no, missed. It will retrace to around 38 or 50. So just check it out. Start coming down, we're into it. So let's see the value that we were on Euro USD. So you see it was worse than expected, which means the economy for for the USA is going down, and thus USD was losing, right? Yeah, when USD loses, Euro gains. So that's why we have this kind of movement. Okay, we're gonna stop here for now. So this market will take time. See you on the next video.